Hello, this is Jason, and I am at the First Avenue Mall, which is right behind the Penguin Mall that we looked at that was not nearly as nice as this. And I had no idea that this mall was back here, right behind the mall where hardly anyone was at. Was this much nicer mall that a lot of people are at. I wouldn't say this is as nice as the Gurney Mall, Gurney something, Gurney Paragon. I think that's still the nicest mall in Penang. But they got an A&W here. It's been forever since I ate an A&W. I already ate today, so it won't be today. And they got Taco Bell. The answer is always tacos. I can't disagree with that. Hello.
Free one.
What is it?
This is the energy drink.
Okay.
Okay, I'll give you a. Okay, you want to play the game first? This one is a game. Then you will see this one before.
No.
This one is the same like mobile there.
Oh yeah, where you pull it out.
Yeah, free up. Yes.
What do you win if you get it out?
Yeah, you want to try it, and then I give you a 15 second only. You just put it up.
Okay.
Okay, try first. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Only one hand, yeah. Oh, so good, yeah. Okay. Okay, now.
I wish it was a gold bar.
Oh no, even go back is good lah. That is for free one.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for your
And then, where can I buy these? Like 7-Eleven? Okay.
Or you will go to the petrol station or
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Dominated that game. I need to find the gold bar ones. I've seen people do that, and so I had an idea of what the winning strategy was, just using just your fingertips. Just have to have strong grip strength. So, I won myself a free Sting. It's warm though. And the grocery store, of course, because every mall has to have a grocery store in the basement. Don't you know? I do think it's cool. Pharmacy. Texas chicken, which is Church's chicken from the US. What else we got? Oh, this is kind of a competitor to Mixu. Ai Cha. I'm not sure where they're from. It's a Malaysian brand. Similar to Mixu though, they got cheap ice cream. Motown white coffee. Chicken rice shop. And a multi-level H&M. And we got a Sushi King. Yeah, I like this mall much better than Penguin Mall. Kind of sounds like I'm saying penguin with an accent. Penguin. Penguin. I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it. Panguin. Penguin. Ray-Bans are, oh, we got H&M, Cole, Legacy. We got a movie thing on every floor. Or no, it's just this floor. Let's see what they got shown here. Let's see the Odyssey here in a deluxe theater for $5. Toy Story 5, Spider-Man, that don't come out till later. That'll probably be the next one I go see, Spider-Man. The Beverly Hills Polo Club. So exclusive. HLA. Hala. New York, Echo. It feels great in here. Wonderful authorized Mac Apple Store. Well, how do you pronounce that? An IKV? I don't even know what those letters are. Panda eyes. Shins. It's got all kinds of lotion just specifically for shins. Kappa. I remember when Kappa was a popular internet slang term 15 years ago. Skechers. I wore Skechers for a long time. Oh, what's the screaming? They got rides here or something? Sounds like people being thrilled on a ride. Crocodile. Somehow this is floor number 1. 7-Eleven. Go trade my drink for a cold one. Some electronics. Best. This is like a Best Buy clone. Next to these. U-Mobile store. It's the cell provider I use. $10 a month for 250 gigabytes of data. Last month I only used like 3. So maybe if I was using it as my only source of internet and I had to upload my YouTube videos and everything with it, I might be able to get to 250 gigs. Here I got a furniture store, Ruma, massage parlor. It's like a fancy one. The pharmacy. And there's Watson's. A little ice cream place, Scoop. Game rooms, where everyone was kids screaming. KB Fun. I don't hear any screaming up here. Gotta be something, some other kind of kids plaything up higher. All right, this is the top floor food hall. Chili pan me. This looks like a good place to eat. And a burger shop is coming soon. That's a good looking burger. Hope they look like that when they get here. Opening soon. Exciting new shop. I won't say which shop it is, but they do have beautiful burger pictures. All right, here's where people are screaming. I think it's like a virtual reality roller coaster. Fantasyland. And another sushi place. Little bumper cars. Look at her over there, just burning out. Drifting. Bang. And here's the, I think those are virtual reality things. Yeah. Oh, there's a whole thing down there. Interesting. And Mr. DIY. Good handyman store. Pretty cool. I'm glad I found this place because I was disappointed that the Penguin Mall was the only one really within walking distance from me. That Gurney Paragon Mall is like 3 miles away. It's not very practical to walk there and back every day. I took the bus there, which is only, what was the bus, like 40 cents or something? So, but it takes like a half hour for the bus to get there. All right. Well, I'm glad this is here. I'll probably come back here, try different food places out, and just hang out here in the air conditioning, just to get out of the room. My room is not the most luxurious, so I like to just get out and hang out in nice, comfortable spaces. So like malls and cafes are usually where I'll hang out and kill time. All right, well, that's all I got for this one. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Take it easy.